Welcome to EEZBOOK. Here's a step-by-step guide for new users. If you already have a login ID, simply click on the EEZBOOK tab to get started.
Go to HRM module and click on HRM. Go to Setup and then to HRM and then to Leave Setup and click on Leave Policy. A leave policy outlines the rules and procedures regarding employee absences from work. Click on New Policy and enter name of leave type. Add No of leaves. Select Policy, Carry Forward. Add minimum limit. Add maximum limit. Select attachment required on leave. Click on Create Policy. Click on yellow pencil type button Update. Click on Update Policy.